Hello and welcome to Damien's Service and Repair. This is my first video I'm going to upload, and I'm just going to talk to you about chain wear. So this bike's come in today. This is a commuter bike, 9-speed drivetrain, and complaining of shifting problems. So my initial go-to on this is just quickly pull the chain and see, are we bad, are we good? So I'm going to give it a little pull, and you can see it sliding across the gears, and I'm getting quite a bit of tooth showing there. So let's go over to the chain checking tools and see how they're indicating. So on a 9-speed bike we should be changing the chain when this registers at 75%. So on the end of here we've got OK and 50%, and we've got 75% and 100%. 100% being completely worn out. 75 for a 9-speed is where you want to be changing the chain before it starts damaging the block. If you're on a, say, a 10 to 12 speed bike, you want to be changing the chain at 50% before it starts wearing the more expensive blocks out. So this is how we work this tool. So we can see on here we've got the OK and 50%. So we're just going to slide this to the back of the inner plate. Make sure you're up against a roller, and then just drop it in and see. So that a little bit there, but you can sort of see that that's just dropping in. So let's flip it over again on an inner plate and then see how that goes. So I think that that's close to 75 to 100. That's pretty worn. You can actually see the rollers wearing about in there, and that is gonna basically wear out the cassette. Possibly you're going to get some chain riding over under full torque. So let's check again. We've got another tool. This is a Park tool, a CC2 chain checker, and this is going to check for lateral wear. So it's got little indicators here. So you can see there it says. Okay, this does it in points, so 0.25, 0.5, so I'm expecting this to be 0.75 worn. We drop it into the inner chain with that, and just give it a little press, not too hard, and yep, then I can just see the indicator. Don't know if there's enough light here, but that says 75%. Not light, too much light. Anyway, that's 75% worn, so the chain is definitely up for renewal. That means the rollers are worn, the plates. So let's get on this, see if we can get this bike shifting better.